Hello friends, this is a continuation of my previous video. That is a data table filter. This time I am using data table select. In my previous video, if you haven't watched, I'll recommend you to watch that. I have used to filter data table activity. Here I'm using one of the data tables function, that is select. Okay, so let me show you the output here once, then we'll see the results. Okay, let me so here, yeah, now you can see data how it's coming. Okay, so what I'll do now is, let me select one sequence. Okay, so this, like, let me keep one as demo one. Now I'll take the same data, so I'll use the same data, build the data table, paste it here. Let me keep it as dt. Okay, now um, if you see the data here, how the data is, it's having first name, last name and marks. First name is having few names and last name is having few names and marks. So first what will we do is, we'll filter the data based on the last name, then we'll try to get the maximum marks, then using those two combination we'll try to filter. So what I'm trying to do here first is, based on one condition, then add two conditions. That is my approach. So for that, what I'll do is, let me select something called name as a string, give something like Gautam. Okay, so I have this now. Now what I'll do is, I have to use that select function. So let me select assign activity. So remember here, data table select will always return data row. Okay, this data row is a array of data row. Okay, so here what I am doing is, if I go here, dt, which is my data table dot select, you can see this one, and here my condition will be goes like this: last name is equal to Gautam. This I did previously. Okay, why I am do this will return an issue. I'll show you that issue because I faced it previously, so I thought I can help something on this. Okay, so let me keep it as DTR. So it's like, we create one variable DTR. This is nothing but array of data rows, because you never know how many records will come. Okay, so browse type here and give data row. Click OK. Okay, then assign that here DTR. Okay, now we have something. Now what I'll do is, we have array of data rows, so I'll use for each loop to loop through it. So this is my for each loop through it DTR. This item, if you go here, is an object type, so data row. Now what I can do is, I want to get the data, so this is of data row, right? So go to data table activities page here and get each one. How you can get each one, each condition is like get row item. Yeah, this is my row item. So for getting it, what I'll do is, I'll create two names, like if name is the first name, f name is the first name, l name last name, and something like marks. That would be sufficient. That you can also see, because I don't want to extend much. I'll just give you how it's working. So get row item here, go and give the column name as, let me give the column name as last name. Okay, row here is item, and this one is l name. Okay, let me copy the same thing, paste it down. Sorry. Okay, let me get it from here, no problem. column name as first name. This is item. This is f name. Okay. So now I got this. Now what I'll do is I'll try to print it. Now you can get we have another column that is marks. You can get that as well. You can just create one more variable and use get row item and you can get that. Not a big deal. L name. F name. Okay. Now if I execute it, I'll get an issue because there is some issue here. Okay, so please have a look at this one and understand where the issue is. If you can find it, please mention in the comment section. Okay, so let me run it. So what I am trying to do here is I'm getting all the rows of first name and last name where last name is equal to Gautam. Okay, so let me run this. Now you can see cannot find column which I given as Gautam, right here. So why the issue is here, why this issue is coming here is here I am directly assigning it to Gautam, right? But if you see here in data table, that last name is of string type. So here uh, you need to pass it as string. Okay, this is I found an issue. This is actually took 2 days for me. Finally, one of my friend helped me on this. So even I want to stress on the same point. Even you might face the same issue. Now let me run it. Now you can see it's coming properly. There were two records, isn't it? Gautam Karthik, Karthik Gautam. Okay. So we got this. Now let me filter it based on something like marks. Okay. Marks is equal to take 60. Here I am assigning string type. You can see that. Okay. Here marks I am assigning string type, but in my data table it is of integer type. Okay. Now you can see only one record came 60 Gautam Kath. This is the one. So for marks, I'm giving the string type, but if I remove this string type as well, it will work. This is what I want to show. For string, you have to give, but for integers, it's okay if you give it or not. It will obviously it will take. Now let's go and give two conditions. Okay, so last name is equal to, now what I will do is I'll take it from variable. Here is my variable, right? Here is my variable. This is name. So I'll take it from there. So last name is equal to, I have this. Now here I have to give that quotes now. So here one quote I am opening and double quotes. Okay, one quote, only one quote is there. Double quotes place mine is name. Okay, this is that. There should be another quote, right? The quote. So for that quote, what I have to do is double quotes. In the double quotes, you need to give that one single quote. Okay, so I'm taking this last name dynamically from some other variable. Okay, now you can see we got that two records are there because I given the last name as Gautam. Let me select something crazy, B. Okay, let me give this to B. You can give here or you can assign, you can take some assign property and you can change it program as you wish. Now it should ideally written only one record. Stuck up. I think it's executing it. So the difference between data table select and data table filter is data table filter is giving us the data table as an output, whereas table select, which is a function, is giving data row as an output. Okay, that is the difference. I hope you got that. So you can get the you can see the data. Now let us see how we can do both conditions. Now till here we are clear. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, now I'll assign one more condition like and marks is equal to, let me give here itself something like 60. Okay, and condition I'm giving marks is equal to 64. So B marks is 90, so should not return any recurse for us. So let's see, there is no data written here, so it's working fine. So let's give the proper condition now 90 and see how the data is coming. Okay, they should return only one record. Again it's executing. So so this is a major difference between the data filter data table and the data table select. I spoke with a few people. They told me like data table select is much efficient because since it is a function type, you can modify as you want. That is the only one difference I found. Okay, so here instead of and, let me give r, click on OK. Let me run this. So I hope it's clear now. You got the two because I hope it's clear now. Please do subscribe to